Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi S. Kumbar, lecturing Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Kokte College of Commerce, Belgaum. So, dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss about 5 marks problems on a royalty account. So, in the previous class, we completed the theoretical aspects of royalty accounts and what is royalty and features of royalty, types of royalty account, and some important concepts such as minimum rent, royalty, short working. Okay, so these are the things we discussed in the previous classes. So some important concepts are very important. So just go through my previous video, you will understand some important concepts. So because those some important concepts are helpful to preparation of the royalty chart. So right now, this is a problem number 1, question number 1. This is a 5 marks problem. So first 2 to 3 classes, I will deal only 5 marks problems, and after completion of the 5 marks problems, we will shift it to what 15 marks problems. But either 5 marks or 15 marks, the royalty chart is very important. Is it clear? So this is a royalty chart. So this is a problem. Okay. So problem number 1. Let us start the problem number 1. A company leased a land from B. Means A is a lessee, B is a lessor, because A is taking the right from a B, because B is giving the land to B. Sorry, A. So A company leased a land from B at a royalty of 1 rupees per ton. Means 1 ton is equal to what? So that is 1 rupee. Is it clear? Okay. So next, of an iron ore is raised with a minimum of rent rupees 20,000. So minimum rent in this problem how much? That is 20,000. This is also very important for the calculations. So minimum rent is 20,000 is given, and 1 ton is equal to what? 1 rupee. So each year excess of minimum rent over the royalty was recoverable. Okay, out of the royalty next 2 years. It means if there is any deficit, so deficit of that year to recovery next 2 years. Next 2 year means what? If there is any loss in 2016, so that is a recovery of 2016 loss. The last is what? 2018. Is it clear? Next 2 year means what? We should not consider that year. For example, 2016 loss is what? 450. Okay. So this 450 rupees recovery करने के लिए time next 2 year. Next means that 17, 18 is a next. Next means what? You should not consider that year loss. You should not recover from that year. You should have to recover that loss from the next 2 years. Next 2 years means 17 and 18 is what? Next 2 years for the recovery of such losses. Is it clear? See, because most important, most of the student will fail under the what? This is where what is the last date of recovering of such losses? It means the minimum rent over the royalty was recoverable out of royalties next 2 years. It means if there is any deficit, that is recovery for next 2 years. Next 2 years means what? 17, 18. Don't consider that year. Excluding that year, and remaining next 2 years is what? Recovery of that loss. Even though in next 2 years, if you are not recovery 450 rupees, 2017 also not recovered, 2018 also not recovered. In 2018, the whatever the 450 rupees will be what? 450 rupees what? Irrecovered. That is 450 rupees. Is it clear? Understood regarding this? Okay. So next, the working lease for the first 4 years. Prepare a royalty chart. So from this problem, what are the given information? The minimum rent is given, and the 1 ton is equal to 1 rupee. The rate of royalty is what? 1 rupee is given, and 4 years information. 4 year royalty. 2016, 8,000. 2017, 16,000. 2018, 18,000. 2019, 30,000. So these are the units. This is a rate and minimum rent, and this is the most important is what? Royalty recovery. How many years? So if there is any minimum rent is over the excess of royalty, that is a deficit. So if there is a deficit, so recovery of such deficit, what is the rate? First 3 years means what? So first, second and third, including that year. First means what? We have to consider that year. If they are telling next means don't consider that year. That year means what? Loss year. You should not consider losing year. You have to work from the next year. Understanding next 2 year and first year. Once again, I am repetitive because it's most important. Royalties of first year means first 3 years, first 2 years, first 4 years means what? You should consider that year. 2016 if there is any loss, from 2016 to 2016 is first, 17 is second, 13 is 3. So the third year is the last. first 3 years. Next 3 years means what? If there is any loss in 2016, don't consider 16 because they are telling next year. So from the next 3 years means what? 17, 18, 19. So 17, 18 is what? Last date of recovery of such losses. Is it clear? Okay. Shall we start and discussion of the solution? Okay. Is it clear regarding problem? Once again, I will read the problem. This is a royalty chart problem. So the below the diagram is what? This is the royalty chart. Because there is no space, I am not writing here. First you write at a royalty chart heading. So then you have to prepare the royalty chart. So to prepare the royalty chart, what are the information required? The information is minimum rent is required, and rate of royalty is very important, and outputs of units is very important. How many year information is also important. The next, the recovery of losses, recovery of deficit. So that is also very important. Next 2 years means what? Don't start from that year. So if you are losing in 2016, you have to start from 17, 18. 17, 18 is what? Recovery of such losses. First means what? So you have to work it from that year. You have to start the recovery of their losses from that year only. Means from 2016 only. But in this problem, they are given next 2 year. Yes. So let us start with as per first, whatever the given information, first we will write it. In year column, I am written 16, 17, 18, 19. And what is the output? So output is 8,000 rupees. Okay. Next, that is 16,000. Next year is 16,000. And 2018 is what? 18,000. And next 2019, that is 30,000. So as per the given information, again year and output I had written. So next is what? Royalty. So royalty per, because the rate is what? Royalty of this problem is what? They are given royalty per ton is what? 1 rupee. So 1 rupee I had written here. This is not a constant. This is a given in the problem, so I am written here. So rate of royalty problem will be different. So what rate will be given in the problem? You have to take it a royalty rate. So 8,000 into 1 rupee. Again it will be 8,000. Next 16,000 into 1 rupee. 16,000. So you have to multiply. So this into this into this, because 16,000 into 1 rupee, because number of ton 16,000. Rate per ton 1 rupee. 16 into 1 16,000. Next 18,000 into 1 rupee is 18,000. Next 13,000 into 1 13,000. 30,000. Is it clear? So this is next minimum one. So minimum rent will be given in the problem. So how much is the minimum rent? So minimum rent is 20,000. So just you have to write it minimum rent. So minimum rent is 20,000. For all the year, minimum rent will be 20,000. Okay. So minimum rent will be fixed. But there is a small change if there is any strike. So in that year only minimum rent will be changed. Otherwise, if there is no strike in the given problem, so the whatever the minimum rent mentioned in the problem, so that will be remains. Is it clear? So minimum rent will be fixed. Minimum amount is nothing but what a fixed amount is given by lessee to the lessor. Is it clear? So minimum rent is given in the problem as per that I mentioned it. So next, deficit is what? Deficit is nothing but it is the difference between minimum rent and royalty. Actually, what will happen? Lessee has given to lessor minimum 20,000, but in that year he earned only 8,000. Understanding what is the deficit? Actually, his income is 8,000, but how much he has to given to landlord to lessor 20,000. Lessor को हम 20,000 payment करना चाहिए, but actually income is 8,000. So 12,000 is what? Loss to me. Is it clear? Understand what is the loss? So loss is rupees 12,000. How it will come to 12,000 loss? Because actually the income of royalty is what? 8,000. But as per the agreement, minimum rent is what? It is a fixed amount. Whether it is a profit or loss, at any cost, minimum I have to give 20,000 to the royalty. Means to the landlord or lessor. Is lessee has given minimum rent of 20,000 to lessor. But right now in this year 8,000. So automatically is loss, na? Yes. Next. After that, next 16,000. But income is 16,000. But minimum rent is 20,000. Again it is a loss rupees 4,000. Is it clear? Yes. Next. After that, next year minimum rent is 20,000. But actually I earned income is what? 18,000. Is it clear? Yes. Next. After that, next year. So next I will move to the 19. So in 2019, minimum rent is what? How much is the minimum rent? 20,000, but I earned 30,000. So 30,000 is what? 10,000 I have profit. So in this year, there is no loss. If there is no loss, there is no need to write in the deficit, because deficit column is what? A loss column. But in 2019, there is no loss. That is a profit. So then let it be. Once again, I will repeat deficit column. Deficit column is a difference between minimum rent and royalty. So if royalty is less than minimum rent, that is a deficit. Deficit is equal to, if royalty is less than minimum rent, that is a deficit. Understanding? Because royalty is less than minimum rent. Royalty is less than minimum rent. Royalty is less than minimum rent. So in this case, royalty is more than minimum rent. So there is no deficit. So next, that is very important. Very, very important. Most of the student will fail under the recovery. So what is the sentence? Recoverable out of the royalties of next years. Next year means what? If there is any loss in 2016. So if there is any loss in the 2016, it is a recovery to next 2 years. Means 17, 18 is a time. In 17, 18, if you have not recovery 12,000, so whatever the 12,000 will be irrecoverable in the 2018. So only 12,000 will be irrecoverable. Why? Because in 2017, 18 there is no profit. Already I am in the loss. Understanding? So if there is any loss in 2016, so there is a time to recovery of next 2 years. Next 2 years means what? 17, 18 is a time to recovery of 2016 deficit. So 2017 already lost, 2018 already lost. So I am unable to recovering of such losses. Is it clear? This is not a 18,000. This is actually a printing. This is 2,000 rupees, because 18,000 minus 20,000. This is a 2,000 of deficit. Is it clear? So 12,000 is what? Irrecoverable. Is it clear? Next. Again, next fourth year 2017. So there is a loss in 2017. Again 2017 loss recovery करने के लिए next 2 years 18 and 19. Is it clear? 18 and 19. So but we have a profit in 2019. How much we have profit? 10,000. So in 10,000 we can recover 4,000, sufficient amount. Okay. So we have to recover how much? 10,000 minus 4,000. How much we have to recover? 4,000 we have to recover. Yes, but remaining still we have amount, na? Is it right or not? So 10,000 minus 4,000, how much will you get it? 6,000. In that 6,000 again we have to recover 2,000. 2,000 recover करने के लिए next 1920 is there, but right now we have a sufficient profit to recovery of 2018 amount. So only we have to recover 6,000 of rupees. Is it clear? Actually, how much we have a profit in this year 2019? In 2019 we have a profit of rupees 10,000. So in 10,000 rupees we can recover 2007 profit, 17 profit, as well as we have to recover 2018 profit, because we have a sufficient fund. We have a 10,000 profit. Is it right or not? So 4,000 plus 2,000 is 6,000. Is it clear? Yes. So in that year there is no any recovery. So all whatever we have 4,000, 6,000 will be irrecovered. Is it clear? Yes. So next is what? Amount payable to landlord. What is amount payable to landlord? See, amount payable to landlord is minimum rent will be the what? Amount payable to the landlord. It's a difference. Actually you have to pay royalty to the landlord. But if royalty is less than minimum rent will be payable to the landlord. Once again, actually royalty will payable to the landlord. Actually I have to pay 8,000, but agreement is what? A minimum 20,000. So that in case if royalty is less than minimum rent will payable to the what? Landlord. Once again I am explaining. If royalty is payable to landlord, but if royalty is less than minimum rent will payable to landlord. Right now 8,000 is royalty. Royalty is less than minimum rent. So whatever the minimum rent will pay to the landlord, 20,000. In second case also royalty is less than the minimum rent. So in such case again the whatever the minimum rent will be paid to the landlord. In third case also similar it is, the royalty is less than minimum rent. In such case also we have to pay how much? 20,000. Fourth case what will happen? So royalty is more than minimum rent. So in such cases if royalty is more than minimum rent, so royalty will given to the what? Landlord. But royalty is 30,000. Out of 30,000 we recovered how much? 6,000. So actually I have to pay 30,000 to landlord, but out of 30,000, 6,000 is recovered, na? So remaining is what? 24,000 given to landlord. So this is a way of preparation of the royalty chart. These all year information, input rate will be given. These all will be similar, and minimum rent also it will be given in the problem. As per the minimum rent, we have to insert it. But where is the technique? The technique is what? A deficit, recover, not recovered, and payment to the landlord. Once again, I will explain. See, whatever the given information, first we have to write it as per the information. Next, we have to write it output in the column, output column. Next, they will be given rate. So, what rate will be given in the problem? You have to multiply with the unit into rate. So, then you will get it actual royalty of that year. Okay. So, see 8,000 into 1 rupee, 8,000, 16 into 16,000, 18,000 into 1 rupees, 18,000, 30,000 into 1 rupee, 30,000, we get it royalty. In this problem, 1 rupee is there, then I multiply it 1 rupee. In case they were given 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, whatever the given rate, you have to multiply into number of units, you will get it the royalty. Next, minimum rent. So, minimum rent will be given in the problem, that will be fixed. But listen here, very important, if there is a strike in the problem, strike in the case because of COVID, the businesses are, or the whatever the lockdown, because of COVID, there is a lockdown. So, in that, during lockdown, the whatever the leasee will not earn any income. So, in such cases, minimum rent will be changed in that year only when it is a strike or lockout. If there is any strike or lockout during the in such period only minimum rent will be changed. So such type of problems I will tell you laterly. But in this problem there is no any lock or lockdown or a strike. If there is no lockdown on site, whatever the minimum rent will be remains for all years. How many years they are given? For all year minimum rent will be fixed. Next, deficit. Deficit is very important. Listen here. Deficit is refers to the if royalty is less than minimum rent. रॉयल्टी मिनिमम रेंट को कंपेयर करने के बाद कम हुआ तो देन इट इज अ डेफिसिट. राइट नाउ सी रॉयल्टी इज 8,000, मिनिमम रेंट इज 20,000, so then it is loss na, so 12,000. See again royalty is less, 20,000 is minimum rent. So when royalty is less than minimum rent, loss. When royalty is less than minimum rent, loss, 2,000 rupees. Is it clear? But if royalty is more than minimum rent, then profit will not be recovered here. We are not recording in the deficit because deficit is nothing but a loss. So the whatever the profit we have to use to recovery of whatever the losses. Understanding? Then I will come to the recovery. Recovery is most and most important. So it depends on the problem. First, in this problem they are given a next 2 year. Next 2 year means what? If you have any loss in 2016, to recovery 17 and 18 is the last 2 years. In that 2 years you have to recover the loss. This is the target rate. In 17, 18, next 2 year means what? 17, 18 is the next 2 year of 2016. Na? So in 2017, 18 is the next 2 years to recovery of 12,000. Again next, if there is any loss in 2017, so 2017 loss recovery करने के लिए 18, 19 is the last date. Like that, 2018 loss to recovery next 19, 20. But right now in this problem, 20 is not given, then no need to worry about it. If it is possible, we have to recover here. Otherwise, just it goes to for next year. Is it clear? Yes. But right now, 2016 profit loss we are not recovered in next 2 years. 17 also no profit, 18 also no profit. So in last next 2 years in the last, so that will be irrecoverable. Irrecoverable is nothing but what? Not recovered. 12,000. Sir, what about 4,000, 2,000? Because to recovery of 4,000 rupees, there is a time next 2 years. So only I am not recorded in the not recovered. Is it clear? So there is a time to recovery of rupees 4,000. Why? Because 2017 loss, we have a time to recovery 18, 19. Even though if you are not recovered in 18, 19, in 2019 it will become irrecoverable. Same thing. If you are not recovered 2,000 rupees loss, then it will be irrecoverable in 2020. 2020 is irrecoverable, not in 19. Is it clear? So only 14, 17, 18 loss we can recover because in 2019 we have a sufficient profit to recovery of the losses. So in 10,000 minus 4,000 minus 2,000. So total 6,000 we are recovered. How much we are going to recover, that is important here. So 30,000 minus 6,000 remaining will be the 24,000 is paid to the landlord. Next is what? Landlord. Payment to the landlord. Payment to the landlord means what? Actually, to payment to the landlord is a royalty. But if royalty is less than minimum rent will be paid to the landlord. If royalty is less than the minimum rent will pay to the landlord. In all the three cases, royalty is less, only 20,000 will pay to the landlord. But in 2019, we have a sufficient royalty because we have a royalty is more than minimum rent. If royalty is more than minimum, that amount is paid to landlord. But in that period, if you recovered any losses, that should be minus 30,000 minus 6,000, remaining will be the 24,000. Yes. So this is a way of preparation of the royalty account. Very important. First 2 year, first 3 year, first next 3 year, next 2 year is very important. If you understood that concept, the royalty chart is very easy. Okay. So if you are coming for the offline classes, in that class again I will tell you, because properly I cannot give the proper information, because when you are going to interacting with face to face, again we'll understood clearly with your all conflicts. Because right now one way I'm going to giving the information, just you have to catch it, as per that you have to solve the problems. Okay, so again I will give 1, 2 to 3 problem homeworks, so just to note on the homeworks and try to solve the problems. Even though if you are any difficulties during the solution, just you have to call me, I will be clarify the things. Okay, so now I will give the homework, take it. Yes, so this is your homework. A company took a mine on lease from Mr. Anil at a royalty of rupees 8 per ton. See, one ton is equal to what? 8 rupees royalty. A coal is raised with a minimum rent of rupees 40,000. 40,000 is what? A minimum rent. Each year excess of minimum rent next over the royalty. So is recoverable out of the excess of royalty for next 2 years. So next 2 year means the same it is. What I solved the problem, same it is. Next 2 year means what? If there is any loss in 2016 to recovery, 17 and 18 is a last time. Okay. Next. And after that, they are given additional information. What are those additional information? Just note on that. That is here. What it is? The royalty not reached minimum rent. The lease provided that the actual royalty of earned for the year discharge all the rental obligation for the year. So they are 16, 17, 18, 19. They are given different years, and the year output is what? 3,500, 4,500 and 5,500 and 4,000. But it is a given promoter strike here. Okay, so then it is a given strike. So don't worry about it. You should not work out this problem. I will work out in the next class. So you have to work out about problem number 2. Okay, so problem number 2 is a clear cut information to people. So Ganesh Limited has taken on lease of a mine on royalty of rupees 25 paisa per unit. Not 25 rupees, it's a paisa, 0.25. Don't take it 25 rupees, it's a take it a 0.25 paisa per ton iron ore. So raised with a minimum rent of rupees 10,000. So minimum rent is 10,000 with the power to recome the short working during the next 2 years. So it is the same. Next 2 years is given same like it is. Of occurrence, the output was under. So 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, they are given different output in tons. Okay, so then you have to prepare the royalty chart. They are given answer here. First year short working, this is the answer for that. You have to work out. Don't work out the problem number 1 because there is a short working is there. There is a strike is there. So strike problem I will work out in the next class. First you have to understand the basic problems on royalty chart. Is it clear? So it is a similar as it is, but changes to what? In the previous problem royalty is 1 rupee. So in this case 25 paisa. Minimum rent in the previous problem is 20,000, but in this case rupees 10,000. And they are given different outputs. Just you have to work out it. Okay, you will get the answer. So next class I am going to deal with you different problems regarding if it is a given strike, how to work out the problems. Okay, after completion of strike problems, I will give again more 6 to 7 problems. Just you have to work out it. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.